Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you our meal plan. I've been working on my meal plan this morning for the week, and I want to get back into doing these videos again because y'all seem to really enjoy them. So I've been working on our meal plan, and then we're going to do a little grocery haul. I was really hoping to do a grocery pickup or delivery to make my life easier today, but that is apparently not available today because I waited too late in the day. So let's talk about what I have on my grocery list and meal plan, and then I'm gonna go do the grocery shopping, and when I return we will do the grocery haul. So I wanted to this week try some different things recipe wise. We have really just been sticking with our standards since we moved, like whatever our sort of classic go-to meals are. And I'm just starting to feel like a little bit in a rut with dinners and food and just wanting to try some new things. So whenever I'm feeling like that, I always just grab my cookbooks or hop online and see what I can find, because I still need to keep it simple. But I just want to try new things. Like, I just don't like eating the same things all the time consistently. And we don't have, if you remember at our old house, we had our little blackboard thing that we would write down the breakfast, lunch, and dinners on. We don't have that here because we don't have the side of our fridge accessible. It's like built into the cabinets. So I need to figure out, because we do need like a family command center where we can put the meals for the week, and then also a way to like track chores and outside chores, animal chores, that kind of thing, like cleaning stalls and stuff like that. So I need to figure out where to put that and how I want to do that, but that shall come later, eventually, at some point. So I'm gonna just write it down on a piece of paper, and then honestly, I usually just keep the piece of paper over there where we keep like our keys and stuff. It's not glamorous, but it works. So what we have here on hold on, the meal plan for the week. For breakfast, you guys know we kind of just keep it like simple and a lot of what's that noise? My husband took the twins and Benjamin with him to the recycling center to take our recycling so that I could have a few minutes to film in the quiet. But the other kids are all here, and I just heard a very strange noise upstairs, and I don't know what that was. Okay, meal plan, back to the meal plan. So for breakfast, we just keep options, but we like to make sure we have everything we need for pancakes, French toast, omelets, just fried eggs and toast we do a lot. And I also make sure to keep yogurt and granola. I like to have Greek yogurt with this one particular granola blend, and Ivy loves it too, so that's a big thing for her. And then this time I want to make sure to get English muffins and some bagels. So we usually get the everything but the bagels, the seasoned ones. But really my husband and I are the only ones who really like those. So I think I'm going to get just some plain bagels and then some English muffins as well, because I have some, they're delicious, but I also have some breakfast things I want to try. And then for lunches, same thing. We just like to kind of keep stuff on hand to make certain lunches, like quesadillas, macaroni and cheese, salmon patties. I love salmon patties. I used to eat those growing up. My mom used to make them. They're so delicious. Salmon patties with roasted broccoli with garlic and salt and pepper. Sounds delicious. Salmon patties, pasta noodles. Sometimes what I'll do is just make a big thing of like rotini noodles and then put butter on them so the kids who want butter can have that. And then I'll also have like just some pasta sauce. So there won't be any meat. It would just be like pasta noodles with pasta sauce. And then some veggies of some kind. I usually just kind of see what the produce is looking like and kind of go from there. But we mostly eat a lot of green beans, broccoli, stuff like that. Then chicken salad sandwiches. We like to buy the canned chicken from Costco and just mix that up with some mayo and onions and stuff. It's really good. Just chicken salad sandwiches and then grilled cheese. Simple. And some of these are like rotational things that some of my kids can also make too. So like Shelby might make grilled cheese for everybody one day, or Kennedy might make quesadillas for everybody one day. So it's not always me or my husband cooking lunch every day. And then for dinner, so this is where we're gonna keep some things the same and we're gonna try some new recipes. So we're gonna do our typical pizza night and Brenner night. So pizza night, we've started getting the Sam's Club pizzas because they're way cheaper than ordering pizza from like a pizza place. And they're really, really, really good. We really like them. So pizza night, and then Brinner. So that usually is like where we'll do like French toast and sausage and bacon or something like that, hash browns, like more of like a spread of breakfast food. So those two are kind of our standards, and then also taco casserole because we all just really like it. I think we have a video showing how to make the taco casserole. That's just something that is a crowd pleaser, if you will, in our house. So those three are on there. And then I'm going to try this chicken potato bake recipe that I found, which is basically sort of like roasted potatoes and chicken. There's a little bit of cheese on it. A spinach sausage pasta. Spinach sausage pasta. I kind of messed that up, but you get the point. So we will do like that Zatarain stuff we've talked about before, like the dirty rice and sausage and stuff. It's just kind of one of those things that's one of those dinners that I've gotten, like, it's gotten old for me. I'm kind of like, I don't really want to eat that anymore. So I wanted to try, my husband made the most delicious, which I'm going to have him cook this for you guys in one of our videos coming up, because I mean to tell you, it's like the most delicious thing ever. These little individual tinfoil things of sausage and potatoes. And there's some other stuff in there, peppers, onions, I don't know what, but they're like these little individual things. And then he makes this rice that you can put it over. I just eat mine. I don't even eat the rice. I just eat mine out of the tinfoil thing. It is so good. It's like Creole seasoning stuff on it. Oh, delicious. I'll have him make that. But so I wanted to try this spinach sausage pasta. So it's pasta noodles and spinach and the same type of sausage cut up, and it just looked really good. Also, we're going to do a peanut noodle chicken. I found this peanut noodle recipe that looked pretty good, and then I also found a chicken peanut, like Thai peanut, in the crock pot for chicken. So I'm going to kind of combine the recipes, and we'll just do the like Thai noodles and then the peanut chicken on top. And then I also want to try and do a kind of our own take on the Southwest chicken tacos from On the Border. I love the Southwest chicken tacos from On the Border. They are so good. I really think it's just mostly the sauce and then the little crispy onions they put on top. Well, I got these crispy onions. I think they were supposed to be for like green bean casseroles and stuff around Thanksgiving. We didn't use them. So I've got this big bag of these crispy onions, and I think you could just add a little bit of vegetable oil to a pan and like heat them up and sort of fry the edges so they're crispier. And I think they would be a good knockoff of the On the Border Southwest chicken tacos. So I'm going to attempt to make that. So yeah, that is, two, Mexican style dishes, but I don't care. I don't follow any of those rules about how many times a week you should eat, blah, 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 blah. We eat what we like. So that's what's on the dinner agenda for the week. I'm actually excited. I've been excited about a dinner menu for a while because it's just, like I said, been a lot of the same. I'm also going to be doing some Instant Pot recipes soon as well. We'll probably do a video there. We were scared of our Instant Pot for a really long time. We had an Instant Pot phobia. I think it's just something about the pressurized cooker just scared the crap out of both CR and I. Neither one of us really wanted to use it, and so we've used it, but very sparingly and hesitantly, and we've started using it again and really not being afraid of it. And I'm like, okay, there's so many things you can make in this thing, like so many things, and I'm a little bit disappointed in myself for letting my fear of the Instant Pot take over, because I've got something cooking in it right now. That's why I say that, because I'm just I literally just put in everything, closed the lid, and cooked and pressurized it and told it to cook for 20 minutes. And then it's like the most perfectly cooked, delicious chicken. And it's amazing. It's amazing. I also really want to get, I don't know why we're going on this tangent, but I also really want to get an air fryer. There are a number of recipes that I've seen where people use the air fryer, and I'm like, oh, that looks so good. So I keep getting tempted by Paula Deen's air fryer, but y'all let me know if you have an air fryer and you love it. Tell me what it is down below in the comments so that I can go find one, and we'll start working on some recipes for air fryers as well, or like recipes that go in the air fryer as well. But you guys let me know which one that you have liked, because I feel like there's a lot of choices out there. And I just saw Paula Deen's, I think, at Walmart, and we need a big one. We need a big one. We got a lot of people to feed. We need a big one. But that's the meal plan. I'm gonna go do the grocery shopping. I've got my grocery list here on the side, which I just make based off of what ingredients are needed for those meals, and then throw in a few snacks in between, some Cheez-Its, Goldfish, that kind of thing. And then usually lots of fruit and vegetables as well. So we fill up our little dish over there with bananas. Ivy eats, that child loves bananas. She loves bananas. So I usually make sure I have the fruits and vegetables and some snacky things, and then just get my dinner stuff. yeah, I think I'm ready to go tackle the store, which I don't want to. This is the Sam's Club order. Let us go through just this. We'll get there. We'll talk about my log there in a second.
I'm actually a little intimidated.
Thank you. Okay. Sorry, Bishimon. Hold on one second, okay? All right. Honey Maid, graham crackers. Favorite snack of the children. Elbow noodles. We use these a ton for macaroni and other things, so good to have a lot of those on hand. Some oatmeal, just quick breakfast to grab if we're not cooking anything that morning. And then just some tomatoes. These are mostly just for snacking. Ivy loves tomatoes to snack on. Got some of the fig bars, which are another favorite around here. Y'all know Benji does his jiggy for a figgy. Got some of the take and bake pizzas. Like I said, these are like my absolute favorite pizza. I really like the, oh wow, that one just slid everywhere. Okay, looks crazy. Hi. We'll get around there in a second. Got some Go-Go fruit and veggies squeeze packs. Got some bread, 2 loaves of butter bread, and then 2 loaves of the artisan bread that we use for making like French toast. And then got some mild cheddar cheese. Also some mini cucumbers. Again, these are mostly for snacking. And then these big cucumbers are for cooking dinners with. Got some tortillas here. That's for the taco bake and quesadillas. And then this is the Zatarain's, hold on baby, Zatarain's andouille sausage. I'm gonna use this sausage for that spinach sausage pasta recipe. Got a big thing of the Swaggerty sausages. We cook up these a lot for breakfast, especially for Noah. He's our one that really doesn't eat many breakfast foods at all. And so gotta have a lot of sausage on hand to feed that kid. And then this is ground beef. I don't totally understand the beef options there, but apparently, I mean, I don't even know how you store this. Like why, I've just never seen it packaged like this ever, and it's hilarious and it's kind of disturbing all at the same time. I have so many jokes, but we're not gonna make them.
Okay.
All right, halos. Everyone loves these, right? Anyways, I meant to get sliced, but got unsliced, so we'll have to do the work ourselves. Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan. This is the baby spinach for smoothies or for the spinach sausage pasta. Yeah, you got some doggy treats, toys. Got a thing of syrup here, 2 gallons of milk. Got some of the dinosaur chicken nuggets for the kids, just to mix into our lunches. That was sort of a last minute grab, not on the meal plan. Honey Crisp apples. I got these grilled chicken strips to try with the Southwest chicken tacos, just because I thought it would be easier to use those than to cook up chicken for that recipe if I wanted to make it kind of quick and easy. I just thought I would try these. Then got some eggs. Then I got some of this, which I've never gotten before from Sam's Club, but it's the triple berry blend smoothie. Again, I've got a couple of kids that don't, like Ivy in particular, is hard to get to eat breakfast, so making her a smoothie or something like that I can add protein to and get something good in her belly in the mornings. We already showed those. Got some little potatoes here. I love these little like mix of potatoes, the bite-sized ones. It's got honey gold, ruby sensations. I just love these. You can make smashed potatoes in the oven. I just love them, love them. Then I got some pasta sauce, a 3-pack of Prego traditional pasta sauce, and some broccoli. And then I just got a big bag of regular red potatoes. There's a few recipes that call for potatoes, so we'll have enough between those two. Oh, somebody already broke into my figgies. Okay, so that is everything for the Sam's Club order. All right, so the rest of our order came in, and quite honestly, it's kind of jacked up. So this is why I don't like using the delivery services, because you don't really get a choice sometimes, and they kind of mess things up, and you just have to deal with it, but that's okay. You live and you learn. Chocolate ice cream for that one. Popsicles as the request of another child. This is the best guacamole. This is the Kroger's like store guacamole. Oh, it's so good. Some salsa. This was supposed to be a lot more chicken breast than that, but that'll get us one dinner. TP. More milk. I think I also paid for 3 gallons of milk from here.
There's one left on the porch.
Okay. Milk, vanilla Greek yogurt, these are like egg noodles for that spinach sausage dish. Bagels, these were supposed to be plain, but somehow we got the everything ones. English muffins, some tortilla chips, Monterey Jack cheese, and then we've just got some zucchini, some limes, some cilantro, bell peppers, parsley, and green onions. Those are all for different recipes and stuff. That is a mama treat. This is that granola that I was telling you that we like so much, Ivy and I, in our yogurt. Bananas, some canned salmon for salmon patties, some peanut butter, the linguine noodles. This is for the sausage, or no, what is this one for? Now I don't remember. Oh, this is for the peanut noodle thing. Linguine noodles, we'll try with that. Apple cider vinegar, some breadcrumbs, some farfalle noodles, and some brownie mix because YOLO. I'm going to put peppermint frosting on these and peppermint chunks and make peppermint chocolate brownies. They're excited. Did you hear those sounds?
Yeah, chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. All right, guys, that's everything for our meal plan and grocery haul. If any of these recipes turn out really good, then I will include them in a recipe video that we'll make and share. And I will convince Mr. Braniff to make his sausage and potato bake recipe thing for a video soon too, because that stuff is delicious. Dad! Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. Bye.